The basics of building a website. A website is made out of building blocks that represent sections of that website. Every single website you can think of is made out of the same building blocks. The most basic ones are divs, headers, and footers. Most websites use these for everything because you can organize everything from the basic ones. There are definitely more, but these are the main ones. You can create different sizes, put them in different places, give them different colors. So if you thought that making a website was super hard, start with the basics.